Hey there, here is the code for the Helwig 9th edition. This is just one set of codes and it's 200 questions, so you can actually take this as if you're taking the exam. I would say time yourself, see how that goes, and make a visual time so that you can see it. But yeah, so this is for the NCE exam. These codes are good until the end of the month. And then once the end of the month is over, of course, these codes will expire, but I will be putting new ones out, so don't worry. But if you have not liked and subscribed already, please do that. Hit the notification. You'll be the first ones to get the notifications, so that'll be awesome. And happy studying. As promised, here is the mixed Helwig codes, 200 questions. So I also put in the description box a bonus. It is a PDF. You can download it and use it to study. And I hope that this truly helps. So if you have any questions, you have my email down at the bottom. Also, if you're not a part of my Facebook group, please go ahead and join. That link is also in the description box. So thank you again and happy studying.